The way I use my aloe vera gel is as a detangler because it works very good for me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So those of you who have been following me on this page, you know that I prepared an aloe vera gel. So this is the continuation of that video. I will link it up there. So those of you who have not watched it, so you need to go back and watch how I prepared the aloe vera gel. Today I'm going to use it as a detangler because that's how I prefer to use it, because it works very well for my hair. Guys, as at the time this video was filmed, your girl was not feeling fine, so pardon my looks and just enjoy the video. Okay, so I really love the aloe vera gel, the way it works. Guys, you can see the way it defined my curls, and because of its slimy nature, it was very easy to comb through. So that's why I prefer to use the aloe vera gel as a detangler, because it works very well for me. Guys, you need to try it. It's very good when you want to detangle your hair. I recommend aloe vera gel for you. So I just wear my bonnet and lie down a bit because like I said, I've not been feeling quite well. So I'm going to lie down a bit till maybe an hour later, and then I rinse it off. So thank you all guys for watching and for your support, for being here with me from the beginning of the journey. Thank you. God bless.